This is the red clay site. We are early October 2022. We've been coming here for the last, 7-8 years. About 15 minutes, 20 minutes a year. And we're learning. This is a dead oak tree. There's another one. See here, most likely an apricot tree. There's nothing here. We see an almond tree. This is probably 5 or 6 years old. There's nothing growing there. We see an oak tree. And we see another oak tree that looks like it's dead. There's a evergreen oak. There's another oak that hopefully will get some rain, will survive. Another small oak. We see the pine trees going, and we see a wild pear tree going. This looks like a plum tree, maybe 3 or 4 years old. There's a healthy oak tree, deciduous oak tree. We see an apple tree, and we also see an almond tree right next to it. I almost didn't see it. Here's one of the early almond trees we planted. Also, plum tree or apricot. And I think this is an apple. There's an almond tree. And there's another oak. You don't need too many oak trees here. 20 or 30 years from now, these oak trees are going to dominate the area. So all in all, here's another almond tree. All in all, over the years we lost lots of trees, but it doesn't take much to put a seed in the ground. This is probably a couple years old. There's another one. And there's another one that's dead, I think. And there's nothing growing here. There's a dead oak. And there's nothing there. There's an almond there. And there's nothing here. And this goes on this way. So it's easy to plant trees, but you need to persist. And failure is part of the game here. Part of the... There's nothing here. Or here. Or here. Whatever we put there is gone. We see an almond tree here. There's nothing here. An oak tree. Another oak. Another oak. And another oak. It's the area of the oaks. So that's what we have. The name of the game is persistence. There's another beautiful almond tree. It's wonderful to see these oaks. And we'll see how they do 4 or 5 years down the road. I will continue coming here. I like this place. I love this place. It has taught me a lot. There's nothing here. Nothing here, nothing here, and nothing here. And I don't see anything here. I see an oak tree here. Now this oak tree here will grow, become huge, and it will dominate the area. It will make the area fertile and strong. There's another oak tree that has died. There's a plum tree. And there's an almond tree. I'm not sure whether it's one of ours or if it was dropped when the road was constructed. So this is the area.